So hey, what is up? And we're back again for another video. Pretty much these are becoming daily videos unintentionally, but we're here again today to show you my personal streaming rig and as well how you could do it or something similar for not much money. So welcome to today's video, and what I said at the beginning, I'm going to be showing you my personal streaming rig and how you can do it. This also includes the ability to add overlays, do multiple cameras, have great audio. So let's get into this video. So here's what's needed to do kick-ass live streams. So you need an audio interface, whether that be the one in your mixer or an external one. You're gonna need a Mac or a Windows machine. For today's demo, I will be using a MacBook Pro. However, usually I stream using a custom-built PC. The steps applied do work for both systems, however. You're gonna need a copy of OBS, so you're gonna need some form of a camera, whether that be a webcam or other options. Then if you are using an external audio interface, you're gonna need a pair of XLR cables. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to cover is your mixer if it has an inbuilt audio interface. Connect your mixer to your streaming computer via a USB Type B cable, aka the printer cable. And literally, that's it. If your mixer does not have an inbuilt sound card, then you're going to need to do a little bit more work. Firstly, connect the XLR cables to your mixer's master output. Following this, connect the input of the XLR cables to your audio interface. Finally, connect the USB port, whatever it is on the back of your audio interface, into the streaming computer. Now in 2020, we are spoiled for choice on cameras. So first you have the DSLR. If this is an option for you, 100% go for it. Now, there's a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel for this one. If you have a Canon camera and you're on Mac, there's a free piece of software there called Camera Live, and what that does is that outputs the camera's basically sensor view over in full HD over Siphon, which is an input on OBS. Secondly, we have the absolutely legendary GoPro Hero. To connect this, you're gonna need some form of capture card to get reliable video in HD to stream to your PC. So please do consider this for your stream and before you invest in one. Finally, we have the USB webcam. Now I've used these on multiple streams for my DJ sets. Normally as an overhead camera, as they're a lightweight, low cost option, and if they do fall down, I'm not really gonna be crying about it. Okay, so in OBS, this is the home screen, and this is basically where you start. So click on the plus button to add a new video input, then select your webcam. Give it a name and then click OK. Then click the same plus button again, click on image, again, give it a name and click OK. You'll be asked to select a file, find the image that you want to place into the stream, select it and click open. After this, use the scaling tools and place your image where you want it. Once you've done this, click the little padlock as shown here, and this will prevent anything from moving in your stream by accident. Moving forward, click on the settings and then click on output. In the bitrate box, set it to 750 kps. This will basically stop you from lagging the living out of your internet. Okay, so we're going to keep moving forward, then go to the audio tab in the settings menu, click on the first mic aux input and select your mixer or your audio interface. Then click apply. In the mixer section of OBS, click on the cogwheel and then select filters. Click on the plus icon and add a compressor. Use the settings as shown. Okay, so we're on the home stretch now. Finally, go into settings one more time, click on stream and then select your streaming platform. For today, I'll be using Facebook Live, so we're going to click on the link button. Then it will take you to Facebook's website, where you will then click go live and it will give you a stream key. You then apply this into the stream key box in OBS and click start streaming. Once you've done that, it will take you to Facebook Live, where you will then click go live, and that's it. You're done. And there you have it. That's all you need to make one kick-ass streaming rig. So if you like this video, as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I've been Cynthia Silvano. You lot have been beautiful. I'll see you in the next video.